Hi everyone, welcome back to the MostLogin channel. If you manage multiple accounts for e-commerce, social media, affiliate marketing, or Web3, you know the pain of repeating work. That's where the MostLogin Synchronizer changes everything. Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful tool can cut your multi-account workload by up to 90%. You'll learn what the Synchronizer does, how to set it up in 60 seconds, and how to sync windows, tabs, and text, and how to use human-like typing to stay undetected. Let's dive in. What does the Synchronizer do? So, what exactly is the Synchronizer? In simple terms, it's a feature that lets you control multiple browser profiles at once. Every click, every scroll, and every keystroke you make in your primary window gets instantly replicated across all your followers. MostLogin's Synchronizer also includes a window layout feature for profile windows display layout and quick ops, a text panel for broadcasting text across all windows at once or injecting unique data into each profile, a tabs panel to open URLs in bulk and synchronize tab states, and human-like typing settings to avoid detection. These features could help you reduce the workload dramatically. Set up MostLogin Synchronizer. Before we start, make sure you're using the latest version of MostLogin desktop client and updating the latest kernel. Already got it? Let's set it up. I will walk you through the actual setup. Launch your profiles. First, launch the browser profiles you want to sync. Using the same operating system for all the profiles will make the synchronization smoother. You can open as many as you need based on business scenario. Once they're open, go to the left-hand sidebar and click the Synchronizer tab. Select your windows and assign primary. In the Synchronizer menu, you'll see all your opened profiles. Use the checkboxes to select which windows will participate. Now choose your primary window, the one that will act as the master controller. By default, the profile with the largest number is set as primary, but you can change it by clicking Set as Primary. Important note, you can't change the primary window while syncing is active. If you need to switch, stop sync first, then reassign. Start syncing. Once you've made your selections, click Start Sync. That's it. From now on, every action in your primary window will be mirrored to all followers. You can toggle the widget and minimize the MostLogin client to control the Synchronizer. Arrange your windows. On the Synchronizer widget, you can adjust window layout under the Windows tab. Select All Screens or the specific screen you want to use to display all the profile windows. Choose the layout based on your preference. MostLogin offers 3 arrangement modes: Grid, Overlap, or Customize Layout. Once you pick the mode that works best for your workflow, click Arrange All or Arrange Selected to apply the setup. There are also quick ops to view all or view selected windows. You can uniform size as primary window quickly. In this part, I will demonstrate the text and tabs panel. Navigate to the tabs panel. Simply paste a URL into the input field and click Open the URLs. Instantly, every synced window navigates to that page. Need to clean up? Use these 4 buttons. Sync tabs forces all followers to match the primary window's exact tab state. Close current closes the active tab across all profiles. Close others kills all background tabs to save CPU and RAM. Close blank automatically removes any empty new tab pages. While live keystroke mirroring works, it can be affected by network latency. The text panel bypasses that entirely. It injects text directly into browser fields. Before you use the text panel, go to the typing preference to adjust advanced settings. Click Settings. Here, you can customize click delay, simulate a real finger press instead of an instant 0-millisecond click, typing delay, add randomized pauses between keystrokes. We recommend 50 to 100 milliseconds for a natural feel. Input mode, choose simultaneously for speed, or 1 by 1 for ultimate stealth to avoid server-side spikes. Don't forget to click Confirm to save your settings. Unified text. Broadcast identical text to every window with one click. Click into a field in your primary window, type your content in the unified text box, then click Input. The exact same string appears in every profile instantly. Perfect for bulk logins, search queries, or pasting wallet addresses. Random number. Need unique values for each profile? Set a range and our system intelligently generates different numbers for every window. The system follows your input format. For example, 1.25 to 9.75 always generates numbers with 2 decimal places. 1 to 100 gives you whole numbers only. This is ideal for unique verification codes or randomized test data. Personalized text. This is for advanced workflows where every account needs different data. Map specific strings to specific profiles, like unique usernames, passwords, or recovery phrases. When you click Input, each profile receives only its assigned text. MostLogin is completely free to get started, with most features unlocked for everyone. Whether you're an e-commerce seller, a social media manager, or an affiliate marketer, the Synchronizer will save you hours every week. Ready to try it? Head to MostLogin official website, download the browser, and start syncing today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe for more MostLogin tips. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using the Synchronizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.